Clean and soak your pulp in warm water. You can also use cold water. The longer you soak it, the more flavor will be released. The next step is crushing some cardamom. We'll be using the seeds, but don't throw away this other part because you can use it to make your tea. In a pot, add cinnamon. You can use whole cinnamon and the cardamom seeds. Add the soaked tamarind and water. You can add sugar or any other sweetener and bring it to boil for 30 minutes. At this point, you can add more water depending on the consistency that you want. If you are okay with the consistency, go ahead and sieve. You can throw away the residue since we won't be using it again. Let it cool for a while before you transfer it to the fridge, and that is optional if you want to transfer it to the fridge. When serving, I added some ice cubes and enjoyed the drink. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.